Okay, trying to short 75 shares of HZNP here at 1075. Don't know if I'll get this, but it's been moving pretty fast here. Moving pretty fast and moving everywhere. Stop loss will be above this high here. So I'm about to get in here. Almost got in. It didn't. Alright, I am in at 81. I still don't get how limit order gets me in. I'm gonna scratch the trade if it goes over 11. It's just a unnecessary loss for a trade I didn't even mean to take. Out at 11. Alright, I'm back in HZNP. Got a market order, 150 shares at 77. Stop loss will be, let's see, 77. So 1107. Looking for the break under the low of days here. There it is. I see it keep moving. The market just kind of really shot down all of a sudden, so that should be helping. I'd like to see it get in the 50s. Oh yeah, there's a whole lot of selling going on over here right now. Just tons of it. Let's see if I got some more. Oh, this like. There you go. There's just tons of selling. Really not much, but this is getting down. Yeah, low 63. His W's take off. Come on. There we go. Yeah, I'm not like those green candles there. It's okay. So we've had a 66. It doesn't short out, I don't see that. There you go. That was one right. Very city. That was pretty big. That's the low. And that's 75. I saw those. So yeah, I saw getting up. So there's like no right 70. So there we go. Just check straight back down. And then I'll see here. There you go. And that was new high. So that moves in wrong. How about back here? Let's check straight back down. Not like we have a full trade really. Unless it doesn't have one, so that one too. So that's just fine. There you go. And that's wrong. Alright, got a lot left now. Another one's higher. First higher, that's just top out.
Yeah.
Please stop that. Do 65. That's not where it works. When you have whatever, it's not where you have the button in the middle.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
It's funny. It's right on. Come on. It's right there. Here we go.
There you go.
Oh, it's getting higher. I'm going to keep one too.
Yeah.
Like, let's stretch that a little bit more. I'm adding this. Oh, I lied. It's not those. Those are roll though. Those are about 30, 31. And there's so much going on with that break soon. Look at all that. There it is. Here's all 62.
TS that.
It looks like I might just go right back up. The volume's really growing. Alright, I'm out. When did I get out? Got up 55. Alright. Made myself up 10 bucks. Okay, trying to get long M&K here at 48. Looking for the break. Trying to get 300 shares in. Should be getting filled here in a second. Stop loss will be below this red candle here at 85. Alright, so 85, I'm in at 48. 300 shares with a stop loss at 85. Okay. Looking for the break, looking real good. I know it started above, but it tried to come back. It's making higher lows each and every time it's gone up, so I'm thinking that this will be the break, because it only had that minor pullback there. I am risking 50 bucks on this trade. I couldn't get my 25 and 25. Only thing I don't like about this is the spike. See if I can get this knife up there. Hold that line. Let's get it.
There you go.
These are the kind of trades where you can really, they make you uncomfortable, I guess, because I have such a tight stop loss, but it's got a lot of potential for the upside. Might get stopped out. I am out. Missed my stop by 9 cents. Okay, I'm gonna take it again. Hop back up to 48. Stop loss is most definitely too tight. New stop loss will be much better at 75. Trying to get it at 95 here. I should get in right about now. I'm in at 97. Stop loss will be 75. Risking about $42, $44. Gentlemen, that's it, deck. Look out for 48. It's got the green candle line up. Something up. Should be the other. Should be cash on 32. I see something. breaking right down. That's not a good sign. Back up though. Hopefully it stays up. Start moving up. I had us. Well, looks like that's right. Taking off half. Guess that's something. It's just going back and forth. That's good. Looks good on both sides. Take right here. Hold that. Doesn't matter. I don't know. So I get this thing. I have to do this just in case. Okay, below 5. 6. I'd like to see it shoot up right now, but it's not looking fantastic anymore. It's just taking too long, volume's dying out. Probably won't do too much. Probably end up getting stopped out here pretty soon. Yeah, right there. Alright, plus 10 bucks. Okay, trying to get into AAOI long here. Got 179, and I will get the rest of my full size right here at 99. Put a stop loss at 59 to sell 100. I really hope that it doesn't do that right now, and it looks like it's going to. And quick loss, 20 bucks. Okay, I am in CCP short. I'm short 200 shares at 29.23, stop loss at 29.50. I'm looking for the top reversal here. Had a very nice setup on the 5 minutes, and especially good on the 15 minutes here. It's done nothing but go straight up in a red market. No news, no nothing. Combine a stock transaction. Let's see. So if I'm risking 25 cents, I would need this to go down to around 80, and I'll be looking pretty good here. Let's see. This will be my take profit box. I don't know how long being straight, but it took from here all the way back to the for quite a while. So I'll let this run through a little bit. So you can see the spike up. It's very interesting formation right now. This is the 5-minute chart. You can see there's a support right there. So it's looking like we're going to break that. Let's see what it close. Yeah, we're going to break out 40s on the side here. If this starts getting in the 30s, you can see something. So far, it's pretty good. Keep on dropping. Gotta take here. Gotta take what I can. Oh, I just sold more. You gotta take me. Alright, take a little over 29 I can. Let me double. I got pictures when I can't believe I keep making these happy mistakes. Almost like one day. Okay. closed $44. The rest is at break even right now, I suppose. So I'll be short 100, looking for an extra $25 on this one. Market's live but not filled. I'm gonna keep as much as I can. 5 still great, 15 looking better. No reason to get out. So let's run that much against me. Seeing a lot of bottom reversals, but I don't really want to play bottom reversals. I'm much rather play top right now. I'm taking all these high breakouts on the MK AOI. Usually I don't go alongside that market like this, but they were bad setups, so I didn't take them anyway. I said we're less on that. I'm not gonna try taking more longs. Just on shorts. That was so much against me all. Red 90 makes my so I love it. Got low 92. Long okay. Low green, go back. Definitely good sign. Take my high for a second. The 50 year, never really has a line. What's that? Check tell. 97. See a big break right now. Be nice. But there's actually a CMA here. It's like it's leading between. And maybe a high by 18 fine. 95. Okay, there's something. Not bad. My keys. Didn't you know that? Alright, 6 is definitely. I'm gonna go 7. Don't bet. Well, pretty interesting formation here. Really very fighting. I see this there for dropping. Oh, there we go. Looking good about 7.5. What's going to get high? That's huge. Yeah, straight back break even. I'm pretty happy. I don't know if
Slowly.
that's quite still. Oh, there's like 6 of them all around this house. Yeah, right here. Yeah, it's down here. Well, TV, the answer scores. Not getting that. Okay.
WB.
Trade is looking pretty good.
And I want that extension for all of the masters.
About to get out here. Selling the rest. Total of $60 on the trade. I am down $12 on the day now. Okay, I am short SINA at 67. I was trying to get in at 70, but 67 works too. Stop loss will be at 80.05. Look for the top reversal. Looking pretty good on the 5s. Looking pretty good on the 15s. Just trying to see some more volume come in. That's probably the only issue. Market kind of made a pullback to the upside, but ever since then it's just been dropping, so hoping to see it keep dropping. whole bunch of there. See what that does. So that breaks. That breaks a good cube pop. Move this in. Well, there it goes. Here's trying to go with that 8. I really so just doing this. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, we got one. Let's go. Alright, I'm out. Okay, I am short lilac here at 43, looking for the reversal. Stop loss is at 59. Had a pretty big break here just now. That's definitely a good sign.
Right around 124.20, maybe 124.15 ALXN.
Risking 15, trying to get 30, so if I could get out right at this orange line,
But maybe
yesterday's close,
Yeah, I mean,
that'd be perfect. And so far, so good. Wow. Still 150.
Juno.
So far, a pretty nice move. Still want to see in those 20s. SPY is definitely helping for this one. So exactly what I'm looking for is these top reversals, especially something that's got no news, no real reason to just be flying up like this. You can see on the 15, it's just a huge drop down, straight back up. No idea what's going on. 5 minutes looks even better now. Now we're just waiting and watching. Alright, if it hits back into the 30s, I'll sell half.
Juno. Yeah, this was a much nicer setup than that SINA trade. Just gotta make something happen here. Needs to move. There we go.
reason to get out just yet. If it gets to 13, it's exactly what I'm looking for here. 14 is a great mark too. There we go. Alright, any pullback, I'm going to take half. No need. That was a great trade. Sold half. Got closed $43. Excellent.
FVGI.
Let's see. New stop loss at I don't know what's good. What's a good spot? Looks like above 20s is going to be the best. We'll say 25. If it hits the 20s, I'll put the order in. If not, then I'll just keep letting this run.
COH.
Missed it. Alright, out on the rest. Total $70 trade. Okay, I am short TSEM here at 23.82. I am already down $18 somehow. Stop loss is going to be right over 24. I am not sure how I'm already down $18. That doesn't make sense. That must be a misprint or something. Had a run up the entire day here, just nothing but green candles. Finally had a red doji. Looking for the breakdown here at 82 for that top reversal. SPY's kind of making a comeback up a little bit here, but not so much that it worries me. The other thing I was thinking about this one is this one does have news. It beat its earnings a little bit, pre-market mover and whatnot. But I like the setup, I like the price action. So we'll see what happens with the rest. Touched it, went straight up. That's a shame. It got me right in, and right back up. 48. Okay guys, it is time for my recap of the day. The first trade that I took was HZNP. As soon as I get there, I took it right at the open. Well, tried to take it right at the open. Turns out my stop orders got canceled. Couldn't really figure that out. Had to get in at a limit. First trade is kind of a scratch. Doesn't really count, I guess, because I didn't mean to get in, and I was almost 10 cents away from my entry point that I wanted to be at, but I did end up taking it later. Took it to around the 74, 75 mark. Where was it here? Wasn't any of these. It was this one. Short sold 77 right at the low of the day. Looking for the break. Got the break. Started to show a little bit of signs of weakness there. 2 green candles coming back. Ended up getting out. Quick 10 bucks. Made up for the original loss that I had in the first place anyway. Not a bad trade. Didn't set up exactly how I wanted it to, because I remember at the pre-market it was starting to move up a little bit. Might have been a trade that I probably shouldn't have taken, but then again, it wasn't that bad either, so is what it is. Second trade was MNK. Was looking for a break out. Started hitting that 48 a bunch. Ended up the first trade I took on it, I saw this red candle here, figured I was going to go for the break of 48 still, but with a much tighter stop loss than I probably should have gone. Obviously it went down, got stopped out, $50 loss. Ended up taking it again though. Did the same thing, had a pretty quick breakout but an immediate reversal. Always never a good sign, especially when it's followed by a small green candle, so it started popping up around the 48 again. Took profits really as quickly as I could. Got half out 02, half out 03. Could have held, would have been a much better trade, but decided against it. Just wanted to stay green, didn't want to keep losing money instead, so I took a little bit. Next trade was AOI. Same deal. Took it over the tried to take it over the 60. Had the quick pullback there. I think where is it? I bought at the 80. Okay, yeah, I didn't. Okay, I bought at the 80. Bought at the 80. Same stop loss. I was at the 16. So I was looking at this pullback here and tried to get it over the rebound on that, looking for another reversal to go head up towards 60 again. Guess I got a pretty early entry, maybe a little too early, might have wanted to wait. I think what I was trying to do here, that was it. I looked at it, said I have a stop loss at 60, wanted to get half my order in at 80 and then the other half up at 60. So I guess that was one of those trades you could say was alright, because I only risked $22 instead of 50 right from the beginning. Worked out alright, saved, I guess I could look at it and say I saved $30 instead of lost all that 50. Later on I took CCP. This was my first top reversal trade of the day. The whole market was down the whole time, so I figured this one was moving up right from the get-go. Decided to take the reversal, saw it started reversing. Let's see. Shorted it at right at the 29 here. No. Where did I do this one? Okay. I shorted at 22 right at the low of this candle here for the reversal. Ended up taking some profits at 29, or I thought I took profits at 29. What I accidentally did is I pressed the wrong button, ended up adding 100, so I was then short 300 shares instead of just short 100 shares. Luckily for me, it worked out. Didn't go up, didn't go down, so that 100 was just a break-even commission trade, I guess you could say. Ended up having a pretty nice move. Took some profits, $59 trade. It was a good one. Next was Sina. This was a trade that I definitely shouldn't have taken. It popped up on my trade ideas. Yeah, it's got a nice green move up, huge move up here, but it's not consistent. It wasn't it wasn't stretched out enough as much as I would have liked it to be. Ended up taking it where it took 150 at 86, no, at 67. So I shorted it right below these lows here where it was kind of consolidating. Stop loss was right over the 80, figured it was a pretty good spot to be. Obviously no move, it kind of died out pretty quickly. You can see on the 1 minute even that there was really no volume, nothing really going on. Probably should have just skipped it, but didn't skip it, ended up taking. Now I know, need to take much better trades. Best trade of the day was this lilac here, kind of a crazy move, just shot straight down at the open, jumped right back up and then some, had a huge move up. Looked at it, let's see, I shorted 300 shares at 21.43, so that was right below the top of this candle here. As soon as it started showing signs of a reversal, I took it, ended up going all the way down, had a really nice move down, started taking profits in between, was looking to get out totally around here, but right around here it had that big jump up. Thought I better just take what I can while I can. Got a little bit out at 25, the rest out at 14. Really good trade, plus 70 bucks on it. Then my last trade of the day was TSEM. For the entire day, just nothing but straight up. It did, I think it came out with earnings today, positive earnings too. And one thing I was talking to Albert about is that news is definitely a big deal whenever it comes to reversals. So the market might be down and this stock is up, but if this stock is up on no news rather than earnings, it's a much better short opportunity, because with this having positive earnings, it has a reason to be up, 13%. So I shouldn't have taken this one, but I did, tested it out. Let's see, got in 250, shorted at 23.83, so right around here. Took it under the low of this candle here, risk above that, ended up getting stopped out. Didn't do too much. Not a special trade, didn't really see enough, I guess, looking back at it now, but that's the way it was. Overall, it was down 48, but I took some really good trades, and then I took some really not so good trades, and it's pretty surprising, every single day you're always learning something new, and then the next day you just gotta wait to try out the new stuff that you learned and just optimize everything. So I'm keeping going. Thanks again for watching. I'll be trading tomorrow.